Hey, what is up fellow programmers? Welcome back to the JavaScript Basics series. Today in this episode, we will finally implement JavaScript into our website. So, let's get started. The first thing we want to do is create the script tag. Here you can see Sublime Text gives us the opportunity to automatically fill in what we want to type, which is pretty handy. So as you can see, it created the script tag with the type text/JavaScript, what is exactly what we need. Now, in here, we want to write our first small line of code, which will be alert, and then hello world, and save. So, what this does is it's an implemented function in JavaScript, so alert. And what this does is it makes a small window pop up with the text we define in here, which is hello world. So let's run this in the browser real quick. As you can see, a small window popped up with the text we wrote, which is hello world. Okay. Now, but this is a little bit boring. We want to modify that a little bit. So what we're going to do next is right here declare a variable, which you can do by typing a variable, var, which is short for variable, then the variable name, which will in our case be name, equals, and then in here you write what the variable should represent. In our case, we'll make speech marks, and then I want you to write your name. In my case, it's Maxim. So this won't do much, as if we run it again, you can see it didn't do anything to the website. So we need to use this variable in the alert function so that the alert greets us. So what you want to do is get rid of world, and instead type in plus and then the variable name, which is name. Here, yep. So as you can see now, what will happen is it will greet me saying hello Maxim. So what this does is it takes the variable and sets it in here, and then it just alerts hello plus the variable. In here you could write anything you want, and it will just write exactly this in the alert function. So let's get this back to Maxim. Okay. Now you have written your first simple program. But there is a little problem. I will open it again once. As you can see, it greets us directly when the website is opened, without even the website being loaded. Well, what we want to do now is make it say hello to us whenever we want it to do this. So what we want to do is create a function which is called greet. What this will do now, functions are used to squeeze a series of instructions into a single line of code, which is then executable. So now we have a greet function, but we are not calling this function right now. So what we are going to do is create a button. As you can see, it filled in again. You just hit enter, with which on click calls the greet function. And in here you just write what it should say on the button. So maybe say hello. Now if we open this in the browser again, as you can see, it's not alerting anything, but if we click on the button, it will alert this. You can do this multiple times. Now we have a website with a button with which you can greet yourself. I hope you have learned a little bit, and I'll see you in the next video.